I'd like to introduce you to the D2000 Swivel Joint. We're going to carry out a seal replacement on this swivel joint. Tools required: magnet, screwdriver, 19mm spanner and 2 screws and a vise. The first step is to insert these 2 screws. This is going to assist us when we're moving the swivel joint around. So we place the swivel joint into the vise with the plug at this position, and then we remove the plug. That allows us to gain access to the ball bearings. So then remove the last ball bearing. Double check that is the last one. Remove from the vise. Place face down onto the bench. Just double checking there's no additional rollers or bearing inside. Once you remove the last ball bearing and bushing, remove the inner part from the main swivel joint housing. So the next step is to remove the O-rings. So the next step is to clean the swivel joint and check for any damage. And most importantly, any pitting within the ball base. Clean both halves. The next step is to replace the O-rings. Put the inner part back in to the housing. So the next step is to place back into the vise. With the hole uppermost. And then we start to put the bushings and the ball bearings back into the hole. So when you're replacing the ball bearings and the spacers, so it's 1 spacer, 1 ball bearing, 1 spacer, 1 ball bearing. Now I've finished putting all the ball bearings and the spacers in, I'm going to put the nut back on. That's the swivel joint completely assembled, reassembled. Finally lock off the ball bearing plug, remove from the vise. Now there is one more final step. You need to remove this small plug and replace it with a grease nipple, and you will need to grease the swivel joint as per your customer specification.